The 2026 Yamaha YZF R125 70th Anniversary Edition arrives as more than just a new model. It represents 7 decades of Yamaha's relentless passion for racing, design evolution, and engineering excellence, packed into a compact machine that young riders dream of owning. The first thing that captures attention is its bold and premium anniversary styling. Yamaha adds exclusive graphics inspired by its iconic racing heritage, special edition badging, and a paint scheme that immediately tells you this is not an ordinary R125. It feels like a tribute to the legends that shaped Yamaha's racing story, while also pushing the R-Series identity forward into the future. The design carries the DNA of its bigger brothers like the R6 and R1, giving the bike an aggressive stance, sharp aerodynamic lines, and a muscular fairing that makes it look far more powerful than a typical 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle. From its sleek LED headlights to its razor-sharp tail section, every panel feels sculpted with precision. The fuel tank is contoured to allow the perfect race tuck position, providing a real supersport experience even in a lightweight class. The frame remains compact, but Yamaha has refined the ergonomics to strike a balance between sporty aggression and everyday comfort, so riders can push hard on twisty roads yet remain relaxed on daily rides. Under the fairing, the 2026 Yamaha YZF R125 70th Anniversary continues to deliver impressive performance for its category, powered by a refined 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine designed for smooth throttle response and strong mid-range pull. Yamaha's variable valve actuation system ensures the bike feels lively at low speeds and still delivers exciting power as the revs climb. Whether you are launching from a traffic light or accelerating down an open stretch of road, the engine feels energetic, flexible, and responsive, creating a thrilling yet controlled riding experience. It is built for young riders who want to learn real sport riding skills while enjoying reliability and efficiency. The gearbox remains slick and precise, encouraging confident shifts, while the assist and slipper clutch helps maintain stability during aggressive downshifts, reducing wheel hop and giving riders more control. Paired with Yamaha's lightweight chassis dynamics, the bike delivers impressive handling. Cornering feels sharp, steering is precise, and the bike invites you to lean further, brake later, and ride with confidence. Whether carving through city streets or attacking corners on weekend rides, the R125 constantly reminds you that Yamaha builds machines meant to be ridden with passion. The suspension setup is equally refined, featuring upside-down front forks that add premium feel, rigidity, and improved handling stability, while the rear monoshock keeps the ride planted and composed. Braking is handled by strong disc brakes with advanced ABS, offering confident stopping power and safety for both new and experienced riders. The lightweight structure and balanced center of gravity make the bike extremely maneuverable, which is essential for urban environments as well as spirited riding. Technology plays a big role in the 2026 70th anniversary model. Yamaha equips it with a modern digital instrument cluster, offering crisp readouts of speed, gear position, fuel, riding data, and more, keeping the rider fully informed at a quick glance. Some markets may also receive enhanced connectivity features, allowing riders to pair their smartphone for notifications and essential information. Combined with Yamaha's refined electronics and build quality, the R125 feels like a premium and future-ready machine despite its small displacement. Comfort and practicality haven't been ignored either. The riding posture is sporty but not punishing, making it suitable for both daily commuting and weekend fun. The seat offers a supportive design, while the controls feel natural and well-positioned, giving riders a sense of connection and confidence from the very first ride. Fuel efficiency remains strong, making it economical to run, while Yamaha's trusted reliability ensures long-term peace of mind. But what truly sets this model apart is its emotional value. This is a 70th anniversary edition, a celebration of Yamaha's legacy, innovation, and victories on racetracks around the world. Riding it feels like becoming part of that story. Every detail, from its exclusive anniversary branding to its premium finish, makes the bike feel special, collectible, and meaningful. It is not just transportation, it is a statement of passion, youth, ambition, and love for speed and precision. The 2026 Yamaha YZF R125 70th Anniversary Edition is designed for riders who want to experience the real spirit of a supersport machine at an accessible level. It is perfect for beginners stepping into the world of performance bikes, enthusiasts who appreciate Yamaha heritage, and anyone who wants a motorcycle that combines style, technology, performance, and emotional appeal in one stunning package. With its aggressive design, advanced engineering, rider-focused technology, and heritage-inspired identity, this R125 stands proudly as one of the most desirable 125 cubic centimeter sport bikes on the planet. It honors Yamaha's glorious past while inspiring a new generation of riders to chase speed, precision, and excitement, just as Yamaha has done for 70 unforgettable years.